The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Yes, dinner can be on the table in 5 minutes. This easy recipe for 5-minute shrimp from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen proves that a restaurant-quality seafood meal doesn't require hours in the kitchen, just a few pantry staples and a hot skillet. Large shrimp are quickly sautéed in olive oil with Old Bay seasoning, black pepper, and fresh grated ginger until just pink, then finished with a generous swirl of butter, fresh lemon juice, and chopped parsley. The result is plump, juicy shrimp coated in a bright, buttery pan sauce with a warm, spicy kick from the Old Bay and an aromatic lift from the ginger. The genius of this recipe lies in its simplicity and speed. Shrimp cook in mere minutes, and the flavor building happens entirely in one pan. The seasoning blooms in the hot oil, the ginger infuses the shrimp as they cook, and the butter-lemon-parsley finish creates a silky sauce that ties everything together. Serve it over yellow rice for a complete meal with eye appeal, or alongside crusty bread to soak up every drop of the pan juices. Main ingredients: large shrimp, peeled and divined, tails on, 1 pound, olive oil, 2 tablespoons, butter, 3 tablespoons. Seasonings: Old Bay seafood seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon, black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon, fresh ginger, peeled and grated, 2 teaspoons, fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon, fresh parsley, chopped, 1 tablespoon. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Step 1. Peel and divine the shrimp. If not already done, peel the shrimp and remove the digestive vein running along the back. Leave the tails intact, they add flavor to the pan sauce and make a beautiful presentation. Pat the shrimp dry with paper towels so they sear rather than steam. Step 2. Grate the fresh ginger. Peel a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger root using the edge of a spoon. This reaches just the skin without wasting the flesh beneath. Grate it on a microplane or the fine side of a box grater until you have 2 teaspoons of finely grated ginger. Set aside. Step 3. Juice the lemon. Cut a fresh lemon in half and squeeze out 1 tablespoon of juice. Strain out any seeds. Fresh lemon juice is essential here. Its bright acidity balances the richness of the butter and the warmth of the Old Bay. Step 4. Chop the parsley. Finely chop 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley. Curly or flat leaf both work. Flat leaf parsley has a slightly more robust flavor. Set aside for the finishing step. Cooking steps. Step 1. Heat the oil. In a large skillet, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. A large skillet gives the shrimp enough room to sauté in a single layer rather than crowd and steam. This is key for getting that golden, flavorful sear. Allow the oil to shimmer but not smoke. Step 2. Cook the shrimp with seasonings. Add the shrimp to the hot skillet in a single layer. Immediately sprinkle with 1/2 teaspoon Old Bay seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of grated fresh ginger. Cook for 2 to 4 minutes, turning the shrimp once or twice until they are just pink and opaque. Do not overcook. Shrimp continue to cook from residual heat even after the skillet leaves the burner, and overcooked shrimp become rubbery and tough. Step 3. Add lemon, butter, and parsley. Once the shrimp are just pink, stir in 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 3 tablespoons butter, and 1 tablespoon chopped parsley. Toss everything together and mix well. The butter will melt into the pan juices, creating a silky, glossy sauce that coats each shrimp. The lemon juice brightens the dish, while the parsley adds a fresh, herbal finish. Step 4. Serve immediately. Remove from heat and serve right away while the shrimp are hot and the sauce is at its best. Spoon the buttery pan juices over the shrimp at the table.